My name is Presta. You all know as Okotor. So I've been getting a lot of videos circulating on the media about everybody's narration and everybody's side of the story. But when I woke up this morning, which I hear really triggered me. So now that one be the main purpose of coming to this live video.
Okay. Continue. We are hearing you. Please, any bad comment in the comment section, please remove it. Any bad comment at all. Moderator, please be active. Any bad comment, drop them. Continue. We are hearing you.
So I just need to come clear some hair, understand? Since I make the video on social media, the main purpose of making those videos on the media, just like after I go through it, I go through finish. As I feel come outside, as far as say now head, as far as I do alive, that's why I make that video for people, made it for learn, because I have a lot of followers that is following me. So if I not show them like I to make them learn, not be only funny comedy I want to give them. There's life after life. There's life after comedy. There's life after joke. So as I go through all those things, that's the main purpose of bringing those things out for everybody to learn. Then again, the other things where they circulate on media, it thing really triggered me this morning. So that's why I just look for a way to come on live. You understand? I have to speak for myself.
Yes. What are the things you heard online that triggered you to come to the platform this morning?
Well, a lot of things triggered me, but the one which triggered me this morning, and when my ex-colleague, which is, the Okubawa, they come, they talk, say, a mama no go juju place once, and then no, na Bible they carry. Now that same Bible, now they take lure me, now they take trick me. I think say they be church person. There's begin waka carry me go native doctor place. If you talk like that, now that one trigger me the most. If I thought say you try do blackmail, say and a drug they worry me, I don't know what they talk to take defend yourself. No problem if you continue saying that. Now say you up your mouth, wow, say your mama never goes native doctor place, one nothing. Why you talk that one for my back?
Say my man a Jehovah Witness.
Yes, na Jehovah Witness. Now that one they trick me. I think say they be Jehovah Witness as it is. At the end of the day, now another thing I call the say inside. If not so, the way it be last night, you say it be first. I not go follow them wakana.
That's true.
Not follow them waka. The native doctor guy, my mama go show us the person. So why go they talk that word?
Okay. Okotor, thank God you are here. You say na confirm see Mama Okumbowa na deeper life in the room. And another one they tell you.
Yes, they said that. They said that Jehovah Witness. I don't even know about you.
Yes, another one they tell you go the native doctor place.
Yes, and because I trusted them. Me, if there's no trust, I don't make one move.
That's true. So how they tell you, what they convince you to follow them, go that kind of place? What did they tell you say they want to go do for them? They make you follow.
All right. On this very good day, we dey shoot for Okumbowa community where we are doing our own content. There are other drama people like Austin Eyes, other people that they shoot their Benin movie for the same community for the shoot. So that day, after we don't shoot finish, my own guy come meet me say, you get where mama they go, they want to go do something for there. I would say they want to go do so now, but they want to do something for their brother with they abroad. So they go this shrine like this, make I follow them. Say, no wahala, because if I see they go my ear side and they call on me follow me and they follow me, if you reach my turn, and man not stay follow on. I say we carry motor and I say yes. So you don't really want to move. I want to start motor, I realize a guy, NGO knock after the doctor ready to carry me come out and I park the motor for the house side. The NGO just knock. I don't want to follow them. No, they don't want me to carry my own motor follow body. Because if I carry my motor follow body, if I reach there, I know they like the playing where they play. I feel you have motor drive come out. So they want me to use my ordinary self to follow them so that they will control me till yes. I will come out for that place. So you understand? Yes. So I start motor. It not work. I will carry Austin Eyes with the hard drama. I carry a battery to teach this motor. This motor not still on. Motor when me drive come community. No. I can't relax. The customer will go use their brother motor. I can't follow the entire motor. Can't go this place. So when we reach there, they do what they want to do. they do the things, they pray, we can't come out. So along the line, for this story when I talk now, who really carry us go to shrine? Not be the mother. Now the mother now. Yes. So along the line, the guy can start to do something for us. My own guy will deal with me. When you say I get my juju, I stand my own. He not allow me go do my own again. He can't deceive me, come up for my ear. For a very long time, I not visit my ear, I not follow and do anything. Because you know, say if I did my ear day, you know if you try me now. He can't put me under in your hand. Say, even if I want to do something, I'll go through them. They do the thing. But I not call they feel free. All this thing can suffocate me. Until one very good day, he can't tell me, say, if they carry the guy, they can't ask, one can't do something. Carry a car, so they can't run the thing for our parlor. Now our parlor now they say can't they run the thing for them. So as they run the thing finish, this thing where they do is not my business and it's not concern me.
But the house owner too rent.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because I want to
so
yes, I hear you.
So as they do the thing for our parlor, they just be like my guy they do it juju. I don't know one, I don't know two, but I don't feel go to sleep. I also sit down for them with parlor there. They follow there, they look at them, they see they do what they do. So along the line, here we me ya phone. You go na here you to know we are this now we since morning. Here we me ya phone. Here na mu wawa na mu ya da. Oge ni mu asun. Here na mu many ya mu ya da. My tuition was talking to me, and along the line, if I go do something for my year, now why should be the priest? Yeah, with me phone, now he will go put down for junction, not be me. Why these people do something, they give me wawa mu yoga mo boni ya mu ya tenine. Me mwe ya vani ne, me ide gbe ide. Igo na die yo tonu we adi sin na we mi nya. Ne no bonari ona die yoga mo bo or we ni me. Now with Jesus, this kind of thing is too crazy. But along the line, I could not speak for myself. And now they need go na the go. If the next day, or another one anima, or even with a phone, and transfer you away, you know what dash person money, give me cash, my theater transfer, keke. Anyway, why have to buy a book with left hand? You have to buy a we know what you need $1,000, and not really the person. You may why I need the person, this guy is sitting down with me, facial reaction just spoil. I don't really know reason why facial reaction spoil. You know understand? I can't continue living like that. If get the gesture, then the enemy he busted. Me now lads by myself. And you tell why you go need the destiny just to buy my destiny. So lucky man, you go need David Ayeko. Oh man, understand? There are things where they do rejected. I tell you one more in your testament or give and you. There are things where they do rejected. As he rejects, it can't trigger me because me I not be a normal person. Now mumu my enemy mumu now why they feel use me. Can't trigger me to awaken my spiritual self. As I awaken my spiritual self, now it's stereo because they trap my spirit. Even if I'm late, mama go trap and down. And my own papa now rescue me for this thing where we talk about. So you know if you tell me say no one, no two. With that video you master me, you know tear up back.
Wow.
He's been a manager for a very long time. A gamma like me. What is manager? A manager is like someone who have power over you. He will correct you, and you know, now this guy be over me for a long time. Everything that I make, all the money that I make, just because of this guy. Why you go to tell me like that? You don't know what he do me. The reason why I don't want to come on live, I don't want to come media too much. It matter now, because a lot of people in physical don't have spiritual eye to see what I'm saying. So it matter now is mainly for spiritual. What I'm just telling him is that aside you are trying to protect your image and your mother's image, you have to do the best of what you have to do because even at this guy messed with my mental health. He disconnect many of my wires so that if I want to talk, man, not fit talk. He know that there is a time coming when I'll face him. He can't stand on top of the world say they do drug. Why he not help me clear and when that thing they rain, he have the platform, he have the machine, me and I didn't want us to help me come and say Okotor is not doing this thing. But he not stand for me because why? He have done me dirty that if I want to fight back, he still have that thing where you want it. Now why today if I hear you talk, he go say he's on drug. Which drug? I did my place. My sister plays for many days. He don't see I take the leave. This boy mess with my mental health. It take me time to unplug my correct wire inside me. I'll plug this one to this one. I'll leave for 1 month. I see realize say no, this one are wrong. I'll remove and get plugged down. All disconnecting, man.
Okay. Please is okay. Calm down, relax. Now relax. Now I thank God for your life. Say at least you got the come back to your normal self. Okay. This thing really can't do for our house that before. What was the content of the prayer? Is it for his favor or they do it for
He say,
make una too for better for the comedy una dey do. What was the reason for bringing native doctor to the house una rent?
he say na he, according to wetin he tell me that they say he want do something. I never know wetin he do. The thing not get name. He say he want do something. Oh. So na him dey do something. Me na to just sit down with am there dey look. You know understand? I not join and do anything. Na him can't do wetin he can't do for us there that night.
Okay. So why they can't send you?
Yes, he will do something. Either na him go drop that wawa or na him go give the money. You know if he do something, make the couple put the money for my hand. That is dangerous game.
Very dangerous. So deep.
Very dangerous game. You know what he did to me all afternoon? He preached those smoking for me for a very long time. Because if I want, he don't tell why for those speak out. Oh. He keep my creativity, he keep my voice. You know what? He's a king of manipulation. Every time I when I tell, okay, go lower bome or why we and manipulation. Follow me a long time would be after a shrine. He use normal math, they follow me. You know what he did do? He use normal, they follow me.
Okay. This thing happened before they use Enogie to give you what they give you, or they don't you fair happen. They talk about
it don't happen.
Okay, that same girl so we give you that Enogie, was it your girlfriend or not just my normal member?
According to that Indomie issue, not be just one person. You know understand? Like almost 3 girls, I be 2. Both in I can't date there that night, you know, because our house is like a company house where we do content and everything. So people, you know, people they follow us at see the day inside. So the Indomie issue, so my bestie did there, my girl did there, Okugbo herself did there. You know understand? That Indomie night that day was a big warrior. They get you. They're not supposed to even try to preach that smoking around me because now that smoking, now everybody wants to come against me. So now what did they first show me? Now be that.
Okay. Now you tell Okotor again when you tell Okotor say they forbid smoke.
Okungbowa.
I mean. Again when you take
Okungbowa knows from starting to the end of my story. He know everything.
Okay. When they call you that Indomie cook for, who cook that Indomie for? Now your bestie, I mean, your girlfriend.
Yes, now she na bestie.
Okay, now your bestie. This native doctor, so you know him.
I know him.
If they say me you go.
I know him. Listen, the main reason I not call the native doctor heart or I don't want to disturb the native doctor. This is the main reason.
Okay.
Right, as we did this life, so you know I'm a winner. Oh, I not the go many years winner me. They paid him to do this work. Now why I say the bullet not being kill me. Now who pull the trigger and I kill me. You know understand? I pay. We marry many things they will play. You know the main reason of coming to this life now for him telling the media say my man never go juju when never go all this place. Now trigger me. I want you know girl. I know agree.
So okay. Now I understand say the reason why you come live, come debunk us. Yes, Mama they really they do Jehovah Witness, they carry Bible. But inside there, Mama say they go little daughter live. You know why they ask you us now about the little daughter? Because when the time comes, this little daughter so we go need that. We go need that. Not what you cover for. Okay? Because you know everybody know. If you never drive car, come to Kubawa community. That comment is never sweet. I don't know if now let me wow. But if you never drive car, come. No Kubawa come they say, how far my guy? When you are there guy, you know the sweet. So now that come a long way. That your bestie will cook that Indomie for you. I still need that, we still need that. Because how you as a person, when the person bestie, you get mind, cook something, mix up. Maybe she don't know, she need to still talk when the time comes. Because this matter, not be matter we will go hear from only you now. The bestie show we go hear from her. When you eat that Indomie finish, the body changed and you said they were laughing. Who among them could they laugh?
Everybody now, because all those airness, so normally I said giving me airness, I did vibrate her. So if you can't give me airness, I over the vibrate where you know understand. The issue is that everybody they say they'll know this one, before I can come out, come make that video on media. Not be today this man do this thing. Not be yesterday. He don't tell when he run me this bastard game. After he run out to me finish, the thing not work. He know they not work. He still my things. He run attack community start to the heart. He still say the thing not work. You really get the real identity. It's not here. It not work for her. He can't pause. Because as I don't come now, the thing don't fade. He want to play with me again. I be not forget to. I be not bring a comedy out. He want to play with me again. Make it recash me. Because the game, the way he play me, it decline. You know understand? So along the line, he want to play with me again. He never heard say, he carry a mommy picture. He put on profile this thing. Because now that one say they cash me. I get motherly love. And you know, because I not still grow with mother, but I get the love. And if you use that to cash me again, you continue the game. You cannot play with my destiny. You know understand the Jexo. Giving me smoke, you know the purpose of giving me smoke. Because when I smoke, after I smoke for a front, I will feel free. It will not release all this dopamine. I'll come feel free. My story when I had, I would tell her to them. Where I had money, they don't get. I'll bring her come out, all of us God I use, you know. So we use this thing to damage my system for a very long time. I know I can't tell her, say, I can't relax, say, me go and ladian baba now. Me I work on myself before I can speak out. It don't tell that I don't make money, I don't make anything. Where food go follow con this mess season, where money go follow con this mess season. I was fighting battle with an empty stomach. What did they see?
Presta, is okay, calm down. You still talk about him, Okumbowa, sideline is master. I don't understand that part. I think sideline master. Did he betray his master when on a go boat cast? How you take follow and go boat cast? Now the way you take carry go the native doctor place. Now you still take follow and go the boat cast. Want to go talk down on a master. Because MC3 I hear say night train.
According to that podcast. According to that podcast matter, so when we dey on that twinkle hand, I know you fully realize say I dey on that person, you go just take all my responsibility. I was still hustling in other way to make sure say I dey fine. You know understand? So when we come up for twinkle hand, when Twinkle lose guard, you don't really pay me. Wait till you pay me for inside. Now say you know just lose guard me, say me do the thing. So that make me feel like okay, now normal way. Can't lose guard me in a way we go push him for my body. You know that, and now why I measure that 2 cup of rice, it can't be like that. I don't want to pay me well. So after it all lose guard finish now, I can't go ask rent. This guy was depressed. It was everything. I can't the advice and say, life in life they don't depend on person too much because it too depend. You know that because you don't depend on person too much. In case anything happen, may you know to feel like they give him many advice. All the advice when I give this guy, now me take starts. Now me take test all of them. You know that all the advice when I give on, now me take start. Now me take test all the advice. Any buna can't tell now. Except you go swap my destiny. I have retrieved my destiny back. Your mama now got a spiritual play with. You know understand? I have tapped into spirituality that will make me work on myself and come outside and speak. If not, this thing I will see they happen normal daily basis in Africa home. They are just doing it. Now me will sustain and I sustain. You know understand? By now, how you are going ROIP? Your own best friend will take your life, will go your candle night, go to cry. You know understand? Me rescue it's just that way. Like you know, I fighting the battle. There was no food and water. Now why my body can't be like that? Can't be like say I is sick. I'm not sick. 100% I'm fine.
Yes, with the way you speak, I know you are fine, you are not sick. I like the first thing they answer all my questions, you know, the identity. I really like that fact. Okay, what was the cause of your heartbreak? Because you also mentioned that yesterday for the interview when you do. That heartbreak, so it contribute to this thing that happened, or not just normal heartbreak? Because he said
according to the heartbreak issue, you know.
Yes, before you talk about the heartbreak, he say you and a friend though. He say don't know what they go on safe. He say who call you and a talk, which is on the 14th of October. He said talk fine. So, is it true that you guys are fine with all these things that happen? Because that was what he said yesterday.
Okay. Okay. According to that, say me and I speak. You just be like 2 friends they work out. One can hurt one. The other one no say hurt and who do the thing, no say do the thing. But because you not confront them, they'll by say follow each other. Like say they don't know what happen. Now our friendship got a deal. So he called it, tell me, let's come back to shoot, let's start working again. I be not the reason to come back. We don't be the create concept. But a game in a guy na gbe ni mana taladiana. Or wa gbe mu wan fo imana taladian. Now why I come and speak to the internet, who want learn make you learn. I know who come with internet can't tell everybody say I bring up because according to the thing as spiritual work well. So nyomi mami nyomi kini mana wa gbe. Enya na ya mu interview mu mi yana. Mami nyomi kini mana wa gbe.
So you mean say that guy in
the heartbreak,
yes, the heartbreak. Continue. Yes, continue.
The heartbreak issue. The girl break my heart. And why the girl they break my heart so? Okunbawa did in the middle of our relationship. Our relationship not fit stand because he did in the middle of all my relationship. To date girl can't tire me because of this particular guy where they use manager till they follow me. So I don't fit date girl again because he want enter the girl. He want even manage the girl life. All those kind of stuff. I was not free in the middle of relationship. So the only thing I will fit do now to just sideline all the guests and come up for my life. The last heartbreak when I received, where they follow the enter, I did set, I did shoot. A lot of people did that set. We no say I know the life for this matter. Now they also bring should come say see what they happen, that thing break my heart so bad. At the long line, we don't shoot finish. Make I go use car, drop some guests for a tire road. I only think they go to play sad music. Now they are to use car, you crash another car. You know understand? Many things will happen. Things happen. Not be everything of it talk.
Jesus. So, meaning he wants to be your life. Everybody you date, as they manage you, want me to manage that one. He want me to like to sleep, I they wake up. He wants just do everything.
Yes, now he want just enter everything. He want get power over me, get power over my own family, say get power over the girl where it is. And that's a very dangerous game for me. Yes. Because I'm a leader, I'm a king, I'm not be followers.
Okay. No, I appreciate the fact that you will talk. At least all my fans now can see that you are fine. We will need your account number at the end of this interview. You also talk about Okagbe pay his friend debts for you. That one host city coming. That Okagbe. Other man host city, other guy host city. Remember that they gift Christopher Dave.
That Okagbe issue. So when we go carry house together. So after we carry house before we will carry the house, we want to carry duplex. Okagbe just new stroke coming to us for the house we come there. You know understand? So I don't feel you live on like that same main day. So with that happiness, because I use joy to take many action when later fuck me up. So with that happiness, God decided to go carry house for GRO side. God the tendency, everybody just put money together, so everybody go enjoy the lifestyle together. Okagbe was not having much on him, so one of girl with the France can decide to say, okay, you want support on a lot of things like that. So after we carry the house finish along the line, I can't feel like see Okagbe they disturb me, they give me problem. I can't resolve that issue. Okagbe really disturbed me, but I resolved the issue. Along the line, I can't see.
How did they disturb you? How Okagbe cut it?
You say what?
How Okagbe cut it they disturb you? If you just trip in the disturber, how did they disturb you? But what did you explain to us now? Yes. You
Okagbe till you disturb me.
Okunbowa, my TV they stay together for the same apartment.
Yeah.
The Okagbe cut they disturb you. How he cut it they disturb you? Now, be explain.
Okay. How Okagbe content they disturb me? It just be like the content who they do. Now me and Okunbowa mainly they produce and do those content. I was trying to advise Okagbe say, I see your day like this, so you'll be like when I did on that Twinkle job, na a job. I don't going to post a skit for my Instagram or my TikTok. My own have to help and share the video. So Okagbe can't be like who they validate. They don't want to stand on their own. Even as me and Okunbowa, everybody stand on their own. So I can't advise Okagbe say this content, so the way your people have. Me and you say it's not your content. This one where you want your post now for your TikTok, cover my name, why it is suffer, do everything. It not make sense. Try to shoot your own. Now what we did together. If you want to feature me. What I'm doing to you now, I'm featuring you. as far as I get the platform, now build me see they build you with style. So everybody wake up. Now wake up, I can't tell everybody, but they don't want to wake up, they want to validate. Me not like a person they be like say they attached to me in a way of laziness. So it can be like I want to bridge my contract so bad. But this one it also don't as I see as it be say, let stay your work with this guy. Now to bridge the house, say me they scatter everything. I don't want to stay the house because I was not sleeping fine. Nothing could happen there. I can't disconnect everything. The money where they share give us again. I see say okay, as they the part, and I say I take my own. What you go solve? Give me 50K side of my money. My take. I can't leave the rest money for Kagbe. Not to move because I love peace. Without peace, I know we'll do okay. Since they know they give me peace, now I disconnect that house. Because they not let me Okungbawa. You know that time. So from there I go, Okungbawa they use Okagbe to disturb me. Even the last time when I crack come online, why they made Okagbe. Not be Okagbe supposed to made. Now this is Okungbawa. Now I take me time to face this guy. He just come meet me, they tell me what Okagbe talk for back, and I ain't they see the talk. You know that. Now maybe because they made Okagbe. The last fight, not be me Okagbe, now me Okungbawa. He divert on. Now I face on, and I the turn do damage control.
Because Okagbe talk anyway. Before Okagbe issue again, I would like you drop your Nigeria account number. My friends they ask for your Nigeria account number. So I don't know why you call them for us before you continue your interview. Maybe not go forget. Because one of my fans heard the right thing of it. If I check your comments, they ask for account number, your account number. Call them for us before you continue.
I want to apply for comment or how?
Just call them. People go the right hand. Call them.
Okay.
The name first, the bank, and the number. Then wait, you like that name made the pin here. Yes, continue.
2-1.
Okay, 2-1. Continue.
4.
Passia aí na Tiena. Atiena 2-1.
Hello.
2-1.
4-7.
4-7.
4-7. 1-4.
4-7. 2-1. 4-7.
1-4.
Wait, 2-1. 4-7. 1-4.
1-4. 0988.
0988. Okay. The bank.
Yes, sir.
The bank.
UBA.
UBA. Name.
Amorigbe.
Wait here. Huh? Amore.
Precious Amorigbe.
Okay, Precious Omorogbe. Okay. Omorogbe. So my fans out there are watching this program this morning. The account number of Star is 2147140988. UBA. Name Precious Omorogbe. Okay. Please, not is too small, not too big. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go back to this thing again. Okagbe talker yesterday said pay you good money. The talker said that what you are doing, you and Okunbawa, then make a come out for Okunbawa community. He says he's sitting come out, now you
No.
go. He said no talk come aside. He said now your own not even they make out the He said because you put copyright for which all of the that they do, you know go fit post time. He said you get the spirit of jealousy. Want to say, yeah, if you post that for a platform, the video can go viral pass your own, so you go the verse. He says net jealousy.
Okay, I want to.
Yes. And
Let me clear that issue right now.
Listen this morning because I tried to call him yesterday. He could tell me say he already talked. So when they should record down, definitely they'll send that for me. And when my fans send me the video, I can't listen. So I'm waiting to talk. Now they tell you so how you know which. Then you see talk. Please guys, power tap and share. I remember how they give time, I bet where they give
Okay,
time.
for that matter,
They hear you talk.
for that matter, so
Yeah.
we Okagbe they talk about the content and everything. Actually, when we go record label under my boss, na me and Okumbawa, na me and Jeffrey, na really, the struggle under the Okagbe was not there. So after my boss tell us, okay, we'll fair give am a chance, so we will come go house, we will rent. Person like me, as I dey like this, so I dey like me things dey flow well, and I dey like where things dey flow. You know understand? So when Okagbe come meet us, we don dey do our thing for upper. We try kick off again because na breakdown happen like this. Okagbe come, he come start to dey act with us. I always advise Okagbe every day. Not this one wey dey talk say I dey jealous. As I just dey like this, I just dey jealous of Okagbe. Wetin I wan jealous am for? Say he carry my own job when I act, when I edit, do everything. Say he go post on TikTok, cover the name. Now I wan dey jealous. Oh yeah, now let's come back to reality. When we don shoot this one content finish, post am on TikTok. I see say the way they drag, I can't just relax. I can't tell Kubawa, tell everybody, say the way they be like this, so this job, who they do like that. I don't want to post on my TikTok again. You guys should continue posting it. I have Instagram. If not Instagram I get, no well, I can't be. Now why I can't be post on Instagram? If you can check back my TikTok, Kubawa video not many there. It gave I post and reach. I leave am for there. Where I want jealous for? We were dragging it, and if one at that moment again. You know understand? So you can't be telling me I'm jealous of him for my own job when I put money, invest on, like me edit and me direct. You know if they tell me that kind of word, that one not be word when we talk.
Okay. Meaning say the issue wey cause a big problem between you and Okagbe now, just okay, video matter, may I post, the other one may I post. So not the spiritual matter bring problem between you and Okagbe. Now you
We
come
get
back.
we get spiritual matter in the first place. So we settle that spiritual matter very well. So after we settle that spiritual matter, he will go waka and you waka one not gonna get preach again. But this particular guy who they has with me, he too use argument to disturb me well. I don't think why I disconnect with Okagbe. Okagbe not be who I supposed to they worry about at the end of the day.
Yes.
Two users disturb me well. May I for not cash on because if they wear mask, come they meet me. So that mask where they wear come meet me now people face now be the
Who dey wear
mask.
mask?
You
Who
know
dey wear
that time.
mask?
You know who know
Who dey wear mask?
Okumbawa.
Okay. Continue, I dey understand now because you go wear Okagbe mask, come to dey fuck you up.
If me wear and still they wear my own girlfriend don't still come to they meet me.
Easy.
Many things.
Because he talk one thing yesterday say if you want give am juju paper, even if na Oba Palace, say you go. How you still see that matter?
Nanami want call the stress. Megbera wani ne. You may want to cause awareness in social media. Never even know so no one wise me wise because after I waking and I open my spiritual eye and I realize that people are many on this world that is suffering for what they don't know one, they don't know two. People are many in this world that is using people to replace their financial wealth. You know. Now when I open my eyes, I see all these things. So I say no, man, to pass through all these things and make it very calm. I have to send signal to the world. Who go let me learn?
Yes. Okay. Somebody say me check your account. Some of my fans they say they put 200k. You go
400k, 100k cent, 80k cent.
80k cents. Just check your account. Cool. Salute boa. Gagbon.
300k cent. Wow, not lie. So this is not joking matter, please.
Oh, Nimudia. Now you go tell us not be all those one way they read. Some of them you they pour our leg. That's what it be. You understand? See people who they call children. You they say they be children. Now I'm not see you they see that they do. You don't check out.
30k 2 plus 1 8,000.
I beg, you know, say your English, you be like American. Talk again, man. Yeah, I don't understand.
Yeah, they all receive 30,000 2 and 1 8,000.
Okay, 8,000. Okay,
81.
8,000. So that one your account number there, you be a precious tomorrow, man. Okay. Down on your account for the UBA precious of Morogbe. So, back to that native doctor home. Where they go to do swapping of destiny. When the time comes, we might need. Oh, you're not even there yourself. You dey hear me?
Yeah, I can.
When the time comes, probably.
Your information come. You say Okagbe dey scream life. You see one go arrest Priska for us.
You see, tell me yesterday.
Say see one go arrest Priska for us. Say they scream life.
You see, they listen. You see, tell me yesterday. They all leave Okagbe. Okagbe na cloud chaser. I felt also Okagbe not be better person.
See the screen record.
I felt no, me myself. My spirit not the lie.
Man, the voice was
But I be person wey be say. I dey always dey give myself benefit of doubt. That's why when people they donate for Okagbe yesterday, I think on the like, are you people okay? Person wey not where they ground, or they donate for person wey you're there okay. Where you get their friend from France. No. Okagbe na person wey be say, you want use this kit trend.
Only best say shake your account, please.
If you not use una sense, it go catch you na mugu. This guy here, so now person will not today okay like that based on the condition now. He need our help the most. Not be Okagbe. Okagbe just they do am for hey, if I the pass through. Okagbe, when you pass through, until you pass through, did you come outside to speak? Why come be saying that when Preston want speak? That's why I say they call for you. That's why people when they pity you, I know they look out of them because I don't know what I wanted them. Then they get money to waste when they're going to give you money. Because when you pass through, manager don't go out. When Presta call you pass through yo, now you want to use your own now. Then they do damage control for Presta. Presta, I beg. Which spiritual matter? Just problem between you and Okagbe and settle. Tell ya, now that you are free from the bondage where they put your enemy. I beg, tell us the spiritual because imagine Okagbe to see they do spiritual problem. People when they say they do content. You can't even get a friend for France. France, no matter don't still come out again now. France. No matter don't still come out again now. We never want you to that side. Because please start there here. You need our help the most. That's why I drop the camera and give. This guy needs our money. Nobody else. Orphan. Now Kagbe tell us say he doesn't lost his mama the year 1998. Who cares? We don't lost my papa. No, you want to say you lost your mama. When this matter never come, when manager don't go, then they go to pity you for that side. They give you money. Now they get 9 years ago because they think that they can easily tree. You don't know, say, I wish Presta not in this condition, no donate money for Presta. Now because of the condition when it is so the stress, the way body can be, everybody you think they pay us. Now leave person when I give money, I'm going to give Okagbe. Okagbe when they say get girlfriend for us, as on the talk so they say he give your girlfriend money. I know why you talk to Okagbe first. Presta, tell us how much you don't gather so far. Tell us before you continue. How much you don't gather? Me check them.
I don't receive now.
How much? How much you receive? Only this morning, from my last stream like this. Please power tap and give team. Person who lost his mom, lost his dad when he did 5 years, lost his mom when he did 6 months.
6 months.
He not join court, he not join bad gang. The guy they do comedy. Then that when you are most star already. Why? Okay, they not Okagbe no raw. Presta,
Sir,
how much you don't receive so far this morning from this my last stream? How will you hear you, honey?
you dey hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
30,000 equal to 18,000, 100,000 plus 50,000.
Okay, I better help me write it down. We'll use 1 million naira to help on this money. That's what they are show. Before you come out here, 1 million. That would help you. 1 million naira. Thank God. If a friendly friend, that person laugh, they don't quit, they know. My spirit tell me yesterday, say something is fishing. Because Okuba will talk, say, in my man a deeper life. I just say, Preston and small picky. You don't know where they carry and go. When I hear it, Preston talk just now say, Otto say, when his grandmother they alive, his grandmother say, do 1 or 2. If they carry and they go there. That's why he still get the man to follow and go in home. You don't know, so they want to go do swapping of destiny. Because when I feel say nobody will feel fat for him. Don't know, here with your bonnet. Here with your bonnet. If I can't use police arrest, let me know. I get lawyer for Bini, I have petition here. I have petition here. I'm saying this. If I can't use police arrest you, let me know. I have petition here. Because when this thing happen, you umaladia no go. Now when Preston all come happen, now you want to talk. We don't want to hear your own again. Because I can only assume that way. You call the phone so that you better pass.
Just he just the fact me in spiritual, and not call the fact me in physical. You know understand? So I can't try do many things to please. You say get why they do the thing. So can't find way to please. You know understand? My grandma know what foot I thought so. Oh please, my grandma can tell me say make I not follow and play again. Say everybody will find their way at the end of the day. So I can't really take that action. Now I take on remember me and the Kumbawa. Although before I come off for there, we can't get some misunderstanding. We come lead to the other guy they use in till they follow me. We can't be say Kagbemi and I just to get problem like that. So why the problem can increase? Person day we come you meet me, they give me information about in which I don't care. And those information will come trigger me to want to bring my reaction.
Okay.
Okagbe, I don't have any problem with Okagbe at this moment. All I can see is that he's just trying to, other than client, I want to call him because I don't get any problem with Okagbe. Going left, what's he going to talk? I know the understand that. In telling me though, we chase out more for the Kungwa community. Chase who? After Kungwa don't bench me for corner, they try to fight my life battle to come out inside isolation. Not being Okungwa where they shoot for the Okungwa page for community. So I take pursue one. He's just looking for a way to chase client, and I don't like that, man.
Yeah. For those of you that is just coming in, he don't go hospital. I know these people they shake me. Doctor say nothing they do him. But the guy is suffer from malnutrition. Okay, and the guy is also depressed. That he needs care. Okay, please. Oviye is your
Enogie, come, Domo. I greet you. Preston, how body how you dey? You dey know,
fine,
you
good
dey know who dey
morning.
talk. Na me easy.
Easy.
You don't know Republic, my house now. Not be una dey use for Republic. Na me easy now.
Okay, yeah, I know. Good morning.
Belle, how you dey? I hear when you dey talk about Facebook. For Facebook, I feel like you can open a new page and you can grow your page. So I feel like anything we get to do with those people Facebook, just abandon and may you leave on. There's nothing bad in starting afresh for life. You understand? Anything that has to do with them, just let it go. Starting
No
afresh,
problem.
and with time you will get there. That will not be problem. If you get any difficulty, you can always reach out to me. They know say I did very good for that aspect. Then waiting I really dey concerned for, because the last time I saw you guys, you dey with Twinkle from my house now they shoot for the public. Everything seems to be very okay that time. Only for me to consume now for podcast, which I felt very bad, and I like if anything day at all, I'm not supposed to set one within inside house. There was no need going to that extent to do that. And as you dey feel so the same way Twinkle also felt. He felt very bad that period. I know what you went through also. Because everybody now human being, nobody perfect. Me, I'm not perfect, you not perfect. Everybody get their odds, everybody get the good side and the bad side of everybody day. But seeing you in that condition, I really felt bad and I was not happy. But thank God that God will do his work and you will come back to yourself. You have that talent. Everything there with you. Just focus on yourself. Provided you don't do anybody bad, try to always make sure you're on the right path. because this life we dey so agbona anari emi anoma wagbon wa we even see we even see well. So the karma they always they meet us for you. So just try your best, do your thing, forget about every other thing where it don't happen. Take it as your past. Now that you have your new fan base, focus on yourself and see what you can do for yourself. So for me, I've been really trying to know what actually happened between you and between all of you at that time, because you guys were like a family. All of a sudden, I can't see everybody separate. So do I need to even take you back? I just try to contemplate now. Maybe personally, maybe we'll talk outside here, because now it's like me taking you back. We are trying to make you. We are trying now to make you a new person. So it's like me taking you back again to waiting don't pass. So I feel like maybe there's no need, Abby. If there's need, you can say, but if there's no need, you can leave the question, okay? Just try and come back to your normal self. We're enjoying your skits. We enjoy your content. Just try to give us that laughter, that joy, that the person where you be. Try to bring it back for us, and we'll be very happy. That's all we need from you.
No problem. I've heard you.
Cool.
Thank you, Mom.
Enogie, where say Enogie, I just feel like no need to go back to the past.
Yeah,
Okay.
I be there, yes, but
I know. I know. Say, I be commenters. There's no need to go back to the past now.
Let's one. Yeah.
But sometimes I don't know if anything they feel like when you feel like say you need to. We don't nigga annoyed, but I think annoyed. But the last time a family and so we might know you soon. I'm not gonna know what happen to them. But anyhow, try to settle those cause, make everywhere peaceful, make everything they okay. Then we're always here to support. That's why we are here.
You are me.
Yeah, I understand. I just asked the comment section. No, thank you. Yeah.
Okay. You don't want to go back to what is the past now?
I mean, me what the reason there. Although I like to know, but maybe not before year. Let him get back himself.
If you want to if you ask now.
Because I be want to know it, because when I see them, they were happy. Because I remember the last time when I drive, because they want to go shoot, they can't say make I cook, wait for them. I can't say okay, problem not there. Only for me they can't see for podcast, they can't fight. The thing really break my heart. You understand? Even I can't double segbe, I'm not supposed to yes or segbe so that area will day okay. No gonna make have anywhere. After all this, after everything will go happen, try your best to see how you make everywhere day peaceful. You understand? I'm always I think being try your best to make everywhere day peaceful, because the best entertainment industry near a very dark industry where many people don't feel understand.
Yes.
You understand? Because if I say we don't anywhere, we don't know what for you. And yeah, for you na when Taliban or why me down, I don't understand. So a very dark industry, no. But in all, Salobaye say. Now God, now pass everything we do for the life. I'm saying now, by the way, everything about it, you should just remove his hand from there and be a new person. There's no harm in starting all over again in life. I will make one from scratch. You get? And on your one need, you just be a new person.
Sorry.
Yes, you can open a new page. This time, let him not trust anybody. Let him open a new page. Let him be the admin of his page. He can create like 2-3 Facebook to of admin of a car away. Then his own YouTube channel. He should open his YouTube be going away. Facebook. He make back here. Go away no video. So YouTube he should focus on it. And Mary me wa beg you. Baba West say I feel so happy that you are able to do this for him. Man. God bless you.
Thank you.
And Enogie Maton.
I can't wait to see
the highest Edo streamer. Now me they call you.
I can't wait to see this.
Hey, I get something for you. I get one big surprise for you, but I'll tell you now. When I see you.
I can't wait.
Now so don't get mad for. Thank you to everybody where don't give from 1,000 to 500. No look say you get 1K, you don't want to give. You say small na lie. 1K. Even though people give 1K na 100,000 with that, anything where you get, me myself, I will also. I will also try my best. Anything where I get, I will send you the sleeping. No get, I will still do. Life you now. Yeah, we ba unegbe fo. So wala go. Why get go kere? Anyone at all will not get anything at all is okay. It should be iPhone 15 again. What be iPhone 15?
My name.
Let me comment as well. Where say no get where say. Precious, stay good. I beg, I beg, stay good and
Thank you very much.
stay
All right.
fresh.
All
Cool.
right. Precious.
Sir,
How much you do see so far?
I'm coming now.
Me wago wa
One
mu.
point,
Me wago wa mu.
1.8 million.
1.8 million. Talk again.
1.8 million.
Only the year. Do Prince.
Yeah, the great Enogie Maton one. He believe in God, my brother.
1.8 million.
Enogie Maton one. Enogie Maton one. Uye boy. No boy no gyo hiraniya.
He said,
What la? Is again a bros that question. Bros, I greet you.
I greet you. Good morning.
Yeah, now maybe don spiritual. Yeah, yesterday, if you see, say it's 2 days, now be 3 days, now they decide this your matter. This boy Okungbowa, now me fake cash and wish. When tama wena, me go call mama, call papa, say that don't please cash and wish. Because the boy, I see which is his face, he dey behave slow poison. When he go interview, when MCF Philo interview, now me draw come and say MCF Philo, you know interview that guy where.
God bless
you.
Thank you.
Man, so that not be re-interview. Even MCF Philo, they never they make $50. Make they bring their pay list come out.
God bless
Make
you.
they bring their pay list come out. So they not bolo for. And if you still look at all the interview where MCF Philo do, he not talk anything about drug, he not talk anything about substance, he not talk anything about say they use anything to take for this guy. He all the talk go one side. Only not bolo for.
Yeah.
So, my brother, you see this Okagbe yesterday? I recorded about a page, your page. You say help you open page. So that page, he say, you feel explain about that page. Now you get the page, or now you get that page where you collect.
Okay, according to what happened about that page, when we come up for under the record label of Wolf 30 do content. So me, I don't get Facebook. All my Facebook, some way no work, we just delete them. Or at the long the line where we dey on that label, we see content creator we still need page and page there. Sometimes we just still give them. So I tell her solo, say I don't use my phone open Facebook. If I hear the open, they don't green my name again. They don't agree I said the name. I don't open many pages well. So he can't tell me saying go help me open Facebook. I say okay, no problem. I give him my number, or I don't know number where you use it again. I give him a password. He can't open Facebook. So after you open the Facebook, I can begin do some content on the Facebook. Let me the page grow. I will tell her say this Facebook and new Facebook. Maybe we put money more promoter. You say that one go sharp. So I send money once, we will promote one video. After that, I can't hear advice like if you do the promote video for Facebook, because Facebook now where they take the pay. If you do the promote video, it will kill your page. The day where you not put money now, they'll say me they put money. Along the line, I start to grow and before Kumbawa content come spark. So as Kumbawa content spark, I begin upload for the Facebook. Now my Facebook you're there eligible for monetization. You don't do everything. Actually, you monetize me now. Actually, don't monetize for a very long time, even before we can start the Kumbawa content. But in your own, not still contented with him. You still they found another person. I saw monetize this page. It's to person where they want Africa country like that. Okay, now what you go up now? Give this person where they onto this page. Give me a number, maybe the follow on top. Me no guy can see beg you will be my guy. Before you go help me beg who they connect. Let me connect with her myself. Me for the fast. Oh wow, man. You had all the updates for who we are. Why you they tell me say me at Paro? When you go, they had updates where will make us better. Me go they bring my own command. For you not to give me this woman number right now, you will not want to give me updates like that. So I can't connect with Madiba. Miss MC Madiba because they want to monetize the page for me. On the process now, I'm not going to meet them, give me my. First of all, I can't try one remove one by myself. It's my page. Can't try one remove myself. I will give one to the guy where they monetize on. It not let me remove. I meet and say how far. I just want to monetize this page. Give me my own give and say no, you don't want to give me my own give the person. Or you monetize me, they make money. You not agree monetize me. All those things cause parroness. So not tell you the Facebook for now. If not be wickedness, you not get out to set up Facebook for cheap money now. You go keep on if you know say really need my growth. I built that page, engage me, everything don't enter. No, no, not let me make the money or anything. Sell am for cheap money, me another person. That is the wickedness, man.
Yeah, God will bless you for this thing way you explain. So, my people, when I see say Okagbe na OJ page, I beg if you not do comment section, when that me write Okagbe na OJ page. You know why I call it OJ page? Yesterday, this boy they explain this page matter. He can't feel like saying I ain't get the page. And the reason I say because this boy pressed her, they say they tick my page for the first video we do. They say they tick my page. But I they try to tell that boy yesterday, they say, come, this page, so now you get her, you help person open page. You supposed to come up for the page. You give her for the person where you open page for. But what did the boy do? You help person open page. You see they collect everything so inside that page. You see they control the page. I say maybe I don't understand. Or the other way of an uke. Una ariemi ukpok man uke. When uke yari and when uke eti your name. Which kind of momo be that one? So bros, what I want your advice you see, you see all these people, these your first people who follow to do all this content. Now God, your mercy and your pussy, they still after this video, you go use Fanta. They pray for your mama, your papa. When it's na, we are the Fanta. I can't let away Fanta anywhere. Who the spirit of God, don't prince. Who not belling here where ya? When it's time when you do asu, can you asu, can be a Fanta, ya lerunia, ya me away. Not go carry big money, only Fanta. You just pray for them, they go answer you. Because if you see these people soon, they don't already see your star. They don't jealous your star, but you know queen no.
Exactly.
You get vibe. If you see your vibe for the content one that they do, you get vibe. You know see what they no get talk. Because anytime you drive more to come,
Now that one
was
see. All the men here beg running, I drive motor ready.
It is also anytime you drive come, now the teeth the sweet. So you yourself get your star. What you do? Arrange yourself. Like the way Easy tell you now, say you get, if you want to do Facebook anything, call Easy will help you. You understand me? So arrange yourself. Maybe you after you don't go hospital, treat yourself, do everything. Come out again with your own brand. In a sense, so go recruit your people who you did the work. You see all these people, so we were abandoning in a we saw a nick Mobabina, you know. If I need Mobabi, we were begging. Ere Mobabi, Mado arresting and Nick Mobab. Eh, here Guale and Ramali here. And I Mobab. When it's so, bro, I'm begging you because we all love you. We saw you with the even yesterday. You get one girl where I call for they take corner for Dubai. Maybe the girl call they call you. Get one girl where they call you for Dubai. And me they call that girl. Say me call you. Say I beg. I want to reach you. So even this evening, me go still use my platform to donate for you. You hear me so? Even though say you not call us, you know what you go. They see a lot for your phone. This evening by 6, me go do live video by 6 this evening. So I'll still use my platform to donate for you. So my brother, as I don't tell you, so I beg. These people, not near them. Not after this video now, the one big problem can't give you. The sense so you see this video where you they do so. Go mark with I tell you, don't want everything to bring problem can't give you. Even the I think but the other one will be which Niger what Jehovah wickedness in it. Only Okungbowa. Okungbowa free. Enye no te ko enye nere. Ya agbe you war. Ya tama you wait ya agbe you war. Okay, tama we my brother. Ya omana zo obo kun. Omana ya tamije we ije ya agbugu ya kon. Not be player they tell you because in life I don't see this kind of thing many times. We be so God has started industry. Jealousy o con dey. Oh one case when it don't happen they go jealousy. Ya get two-face, but two-face in this one. Two-face of pass when jealousy ya scatter. Go see P Square. Jealousy they just scatter. So it don't the day they come. We know the situation of your problem. We know the jealousy because they see your star. They say so all those things, and this boy was so greedy. This Okungbowa is a greedy fellow, and he want me you they do oga biju Mariana. Okungbowa, if to say Okungbowa get sense, you see person like this guy, he not supposed to hurt this guy. If he really get sense, if he really know say he really get brain, exactly. He not supposed to hurt this boy. They say so anything we want hurt this boy, Okungbowa supposed to chest him. Master, Okungbowa na bad zingbe.
Ija, we get one what ba wa for yi.
Aye na hinayi. Ana hinayi no get ya saga ma the platform. Who be that?
Now we want to get around of.
Tamawo obo one na no get we no go.
My classic Gloria, me why want to la wo ge wan be gun a o so.
After this platform, we have those saga. This is when we go akagwan.
O man ya no wahala. Abera me vision wala wa egui imu egbe ne ti wari o no ge o se na wo ni se ge wa gun ayo la egui my brother. La ima ya ni ge wa egui o de na de ni ta de don preset ti go egwa ni ati wa onu mi na quotation so that no wa me na one my brother understand.
Yes.
So why egui Presta where the Presta you na o ti me ne kere wa ni understand as in go ma talk me ne kere Presta you know who they talk abi.
That's what they get on your eye.
So the truth is, okay, English. The truth is, let's be lenient to these young guys. Wanna know verse. You see these three boys involved. For me, I feel we should hear from the three at once.
We don't hear
You know,
from
you don't hear from the three of them.
Yes.
As you put the three together in your platform.
No, we don't know. See, I hear from the first one from MCF Philo platform. I hear from the second one for your last stream when you do the record for me. Then Presta, you know my ear. We don't already hear from them already.
For me, I be feel say if the three, because all of them they be young stars.
You
Whether
know
you
what?
like them or not, because if anything be there where they do this precious, but I know about when now, so it don't enter outside there, it does spoil be that. God does spoil now. You understand?
Yes.
So
I called this Okagbe yesterday in the year.
okay.
I went pardon when now we are. He said not guilty what tell me. Now say he really. He said yes. He said he do live video this evening. He said they go screen record down because they don't deceive her. They may not come to the platform. They not have a magwa.
Yeah.
So as I can't see waiting the talk. I can't still see the one where MC Philo go interview Okotor. The only person who me never hear from the Presta. Already they don't give me Presta sister. Remember say,
Okay.
no, sister. When me call that one, now I call tell me say, Presta for night is sleep. If you wake up, you go let me know. The time when you got to wake up or tell not to do that yesterday, you not going to do the live video. So this morning, that Presta can see explain the side of the story. My sister, from the interview of MC Philo to Okagbe wey he do for a live video na to this one, wetin we see here now enviness, greediness, jealousy. Okpe, you know say don't tell us for inside this work of better. Greediness, enviness, jealousy. So that make we now come say the way this guy body can be, the condition not come good again.
Yes.
So
Because me have a drop of email, but even if Nika go on, because me have a email, but I have send the receipt to get it.
No. What can we do? We can't begin the race. Money will do race for us so far now. In the for like 30 minutes ago, now 1.8 million. 1.8. You only
I will see. Why am I? Can you donate to you? Can you donate to you? Can you need why am I? We need Jesus.
Amen. So Presta.
Okay, no wahala, bros. Me I not too owe you because another person they will go talk. I not better only one. They 100 unuya. Since I don't hear from the city of them, no problem. I'll get right to judge. All right now.
Thank you.
I go see the watch. I will go out, so I go drop my own now for I go send you this.
Brokia.
I greet you, Baba Domo.
How you there? You wait a minute. Presta.
Sir,
How much you don't get so far now?
I'm coming. Let me check.
Let's check.
Enogie, before you go check.
Don't Presta, wait. The Nokia wants to get one. Why you go now? Nokia talk.
Okay.
Maybe impression.
Okay, if I know, wait till I want to ask you, I beg, how the same mama want to reborn me and you won't be twins, come back life again? I beg. Because freedom when they fight for this social media, in fact, God punish Lokentelo. Yes.
I hear.
As in, since how many days when I dey see this boy in my time, but today tears come down from my eye because this is what we have been praying. Who go bring this boy come out like this? Make the help, not just condemning, talking about it. They smoke, they do this way, they do this.
Yes.
Like what when they talk, they bleach in contracts. This one go they create your own page, they create this one page. As they recopy those things they post, this guy no go see 1 naira.
At all.
You no go see money.
Any
You see, now wait there for finish this guy. And my brother, I want to ask you about person again. That my Agbo brother when they chop so Santana for inside the content. I beg.
Okay, that you have
You
your
remember?
oh, I,
That one, you know, they used Santana play. I beg.
Enogie, the guy did that one not come out for inside this thing. He not come out.
I beg if I don't you go see help us check if he do okay. I beg one now because these two people in when you Okotor with that Santana, if they know that content, you know they make sense.
Yes.
God will bless you, Pioneer, for what you do today. God will bless you. God will bless you so much. I beg TikTok announcement. On Saturday, we are crowning Enogie, the leader of social media, the president and the king of social media. Who say one put body, make connect telemetry, will collect your sleeve. Now me talk on Saturday here, when I go see for my live video. King of social media. God will bless you, Baba. Now wait till I get to talk. God bless you so much. Mama, God bless you also. God bless you. Not too much. I really appreciate people who still donate for Ram. God will bless you, man. Now so it all be for my mouth. Not too much.
Yeah, Enogie, I fit talk now.
Yes, if you talk. Priesta, beg, tell us how much you don't get so far.
2 million so far.
Wow.
Congratulations to Edo Sabaspace.
God will bless you so much.
Congratulations to Edo Sabaspace. Congratulations to Enogie.
Bless all of you so much.
Say, Enogie, wait, I want to draw so much quick talk this one.
Where we go ahead?
Yeah. Una see say on behalf of Enogie on his platform, Enogie don't use the platform donate 2 million. So the rest of those Sabaspace where they support this guy, we want to use our platform to donate another extra 3 million. We want to make a 5 million for this guy. So una way busy on decide this issue. I beg, when I bring see the guy account here now. This evening, anybody want to talk on this issue must bring this guy account come out. One may be say Edo Sabaspace give this guy 5 million. May all those wishy, may they see and say we know they support you.